Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So we are at Chennai airport and we are going to Sri Lanka. There's a place here which is giving coffee at just 20 rupees. Can you imagine 20 rupees coffee at the airport? So I'm in the lounge in Chennai airport. Let's see what we have to eat. This is the food that I have. Round 2. Our flight is delayed by 2 hours due to the bad weather. Let's hope that it doesn't get delayed any further. So there are a lot of updates. Our flight got cancelled, and at first they said that they're not going to book us another flight. We have to do it on our own, and when I checked the prices, it was skyrocketed high. So I was really confused. I was looking into some Indigo flights which were cheaper, but there was no information about the refund from Air India for the current flight. So went to the counter, stood there for 2 hours because there was a huge queue of all the flights getting cancelled and there were a lot of people. So when I went there, luckily they rescheduled our flight to tomorrow morning 6 a.m. but not sure if they are not sure if the weather is going to be good at that time for us to fly. I was also worried that we won't find seat for the next flight. Well, luckily we did, and let's hope that the flight flies tomorrow. So now we came to a mall right next to the airport because we have nowhere to go. All the hotels are booked and we are planning not to go too far for the hotel because for flight we have to come at around we have to reach at around 2:30. So chances are that we will not get cab if we go too far from the airport. So it's going to be a little bit of challenging situation, but let's see. So the flight that we booked for tomorrow morning 6 is also cancelled now, and there are no other flights that they are booking for the same day. So we don't know what to do. Let's go and check. The cancellation charges is 8,000 rupees for to and fro. So I don't want to cancel the entire trip. Let's see. So there were no flights for tomorrow as well the whole day, and there was no guarantee if there is any flight whether it's gonna take off or not. So what we did is we rescheduled. We had two options, either to reschedule our flight to Monday, which is day after tomorrow, in Chennai, or Bangalore. So we chose to go to Bangalore. We had flights tomorrow as well, but very early in the morning, and I didn't know whether we are gonna make it or not because we were not getting any cabs at the moment. So finally we got a cab, and we have rescheduled our flight to day after tomorrow, and we didn't get a direct flight, so we are going to fly from Bangalore to Mumbai and then Mumbai to Colombo. And now we got a cab after cancelling several cabs because nobody was willing to go on the fixed rate. Everybody was asking for extra charges, and that was ridiculous amount. So trains are all cancelled as well, and cab and buses are the only ways, and I don't know if we would get any bus with the kind of rush that we saw here today, because a lot of people are opting to go from Bangalore and rescheduling their flights from Bangalore. So yeah, now we're gonna go and see what the situation is like.
Our driver was really nice, who charged us just 3,000 extra to bring us back home in really adverse conditions.
Hello guys, good morning. It's 1:30 a.m. in the morning. We had reached yesterday at 3:30 a.m. It's 22 hours since then, and today we are going to go to Bangalore airport and try our luck from there. This is our third attempt to reach Sri Lanka. First time going to the domestic side of Titu. They made a small museum kind of area inside the airport. Can you believe it? Lot of branded shops on the way to the gate. Oh, there's a Tim Hortons. Pretty cafes out here as well. This looks more like a mall than an airport. So we are boarding the flight. At least we are reaching Mumbai this time.
Yeah.
We made it to Mumbai. So our immigration is done. At first they said that our flight is not operational and we got scared. But now the IMI is over and we are in, but you never know because last time we had to go out after doing the immigration. So until we reach, I found some sleeping pods over here, but it looks like it is closed. Somebody's fake sleeping. So now we are going to board the flight. It's a little bit late, but it's okay as long as we board it and it flies. So
Considering the last experience that we had so far is looking good.
yeah. So we made it.
To the flight.
So we landed and now we are going towards the immigration. Finally made it.
Yeah.
So it's 7:15 and we reached the destination. And look who we have here. Hi! P2P. So this is Freedom Village. Looks like a really cool property, right? So this is the outside of the property. And this is the inside. It's quite spacious, a lot of things, and this is the washroom, which is pretty good as well. They've given us all kinds of tea. There's hair dryer over there. That's the AC, and I'll show you the view again in the morning. And there's a window here as well, and we'll show the view later. This is a really nice painting. We have a fridge here as well. Nothing's in there. Okay, so I have already taken bath and had my dinner, and now it's time for me to sleep. Arjun is still eating at Sikruti's room, and tomorrow we have to get up at 4:45 at least, because 5:30 we have asked a tuk-tuk guy to come and take us to Sigiriya.